Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make big money online but also free up your time at the same time. So, with that being said, if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to make big money online. So one of the big mistakes that a lot of people do when they start to make money online, or they start to try and make money online, is they try to do too many things at the same time. And I was guilty of this, and I wish that I didn't make this mistake before. I was doing this YouTube channel, I was doing Facebook, I was doing Instagram, and it was such a headache. Like, I was a slave to social media because I was just trying to produce content all the time. But with that, I was like not making a YouTube video every day, not posting to Instagram every day, not posting to Facebook every day because, I had all these things that were taking attention away from me and, not managing to do any of that. So, the best thing to do is to actually focus on one thing, and that's going to allow you to make the big money. It's not like doing all these different things, because yes, you might be able to make some money on Instagram, some money on Facebook, some money on YouTube, but if you focus on the one thing that's going to really bring you the results, and you're going to be world class at that. Like, if you focus on YouTube, like you only do YouTube, you don't even have an Instagram account, you don't have a Facebook group, you just have a YouTube account. You're just going to post videos all the time, you're going to be the best at making scripts, you're going to have the best presence on YouTube, you're going to have a huge following just because you're the best at that. But if you spread too thin, then you're not going to do anything. And I'm talking about YouTube, but if you pick Instagram, you can do the same on Instagram. If you do Facebook, you can do that. If you pick, if you have already a little bit of money, then you can do, Facebook ads. Like, just pick one thing. Don't pick a million different things. Pick one thing that's going to bring you the traffic to your affiliate links if you're doing affiliate marketing like I do. And obviously, you don't have to do affiliate marketing. Like, if you're doing Shopify, that works as well, but just focus on one way to bring you the traffic. Don't focus on too many things, because you want to become the best at that one thing. Michael Jordan, he was the best at playing basketball, not at anything else. He was just a basketball player. And he tried some other sports, it didn't work out. Like Michael Schumacher, he was the best at driving an F1 car. And that's something that you really, really have to focus on. Like, all the big people that really made the money, they were focused on one single thing. And I can't stress this enough, because you see all these people all over the place that make some money, even making millions. Like, some people are spread all over the place, but really they have some people post for them. They don't really do that. They just film one video and that's it. Then they get someone to put the video together. They someone takes a photo of them and that's it. And then they're done with that, and they aren't really all over the place. They just focus on one thing, and that's going to allow you to really dive deep and know the algorithm the best that you can. Like, nobody will know the algorithm better than you, no matter what platform you're in. But you'll know how to do that, what will work, what won't work. You'll know everything about that, and that is how you absolutely smash it and get to 10 million a month. Obviously it's not going to happen overnight. I'm not even making millions, but you know, you get the idea. You really have to be focused on making that, like making this one thing and just going straight, like really, really deep. And that's how you're going to make millions. You know, really, really dive in and make it like really, really happen. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you got some value from it. Like, really focus on one thing. And with that being said, if you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. If you also like that my face and just, you know, liked how I looked, maybe you can also subscribe and, you know, hit that notification bell, because I'm coming out with ways to help you to make some money online every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.